Jack Daniels, Indian motorcycle, two American originals. The first American distillery, founded in 1866. America's first motorcycle company, rooted in 1901. A proud heritage, a passion for craftsmanship, and a drive to push forward. Each drawing on a storied past to fuel the future. Jack Daniel's Tennessee Rye. A bold balance of smoothness and complexity in a whiskey that is 70% rye and 100% Jack. And the Indian Challenger Dark Horse. A revolutionary liquid-cooled V-twin bagger, combining old, modern, American styling and next-level technology to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Introducing the Jack Daniel's limited edition Indian Challenger Dark Horse, the boldest statement yet from a bold partnership between two iconic American brands.